nobody has said so. But me just think in my head.
Every picnic in high school, I say, I feel me, Mr. T. Is your favorite?
Yeah, to me, it's like a perf to me. I don't know, but to me, like a perf.
Right now, let me tell you something, Speedy. And you can, as we say, you can well write. And the next thing where really kind of trouble me, and the reason why it trouble me is because I've been through it as a kid growing up. Mr. T knows an awful lot about Peter and the crocodile. You hear me? Listen to what I say. I repeat it slowly. Mr. T knows an awful lot about the crocodile and and Peter. Mr. T even state that the 2 days when they pick up Jayden, when they both of them coming from Spurtree Hill and pick up Jayden, answer to Jayden say, get in the back of the car. Mr. T thought that out of his mouth. So my question to you now, Speedy, is it a case where Jayden get caught in the crossfire as well as the baby foot broke? Because how other way, remember now, the crocodile and Peter pick up Jayden 2 times from school, from round a little Caesar side. See? Now, how unless Mr. T bug Peter van, Peter under SUV. I know SUV. Where they under them name?
Me know where
H. H. The under them. CVR or something like that.
Yeah,
CRV.
CVR.
Right?
Yeah.
What me want to know, how did Mr. T have so much pinpoint information? What happened when him pick up Jayden, and when Ann tell him say get in the back of the car? How Mr. T know them things there? I feel that Jayden didn't go and tell Mr. T. I feel that is where the if you can't be good, be careful come from. That's so. Because even Mr. T tell us Peter come and stop at the yard, and when he spot Mr. T in drive off like I never heard him come. Mr. T talk out of the mouth, me nah make you up. And tell Mr. T say he can't do me nothing because me can play them over TikTok here. These are not questions me asking if me have it. Me have it. Let me show you something. Hold on. Me not gonna give you no worry. Me gonna show you something. When me attack, me not chat no shit. Hold on. Let me show you something. Because when me I tell some people say some platform I'm going on a chat, them not do the research. And then if you go back to school. Let me show you something. And tell them say no, they can't delete it out of my phone because
people
tell them say they can't delete it out of
Even me see people keep on saying like Mr. T so much. Even if I know Mr. T do it, Mr. T know about it. Him not living that he know about it, so he be part of it. So I don't know people going like Mr. T as some sane and some this.
I'm tell you something. If I ever knowingly concerned Mr. T, I fi go down for.
Know about it. Come on.
You hear me say? If I even knowingly concerned Mr. T, have to go down far.
So T, what more?
So I'm going to Google what that mean.
You personal see the video them in Friday evening for saying go to school?
No, I'm not going to tell a lie, but I talk to the man that little Caesar.
No. No why you not talk to man. Why you see the video?
No. I tell you, I don't see the video. I don't see it, but I talk.
These people not care about one kid. Remember the specific day. These people just say yes and just remember one different day.
Aye.
Thing, bro.
These
people not mention the specific day.
But hear me say on Speedy, and that is the reason why it's not what you say or what is how you do. It's not what you say is how you say it. It's not what you do is how you do it. So you see what I got to know. You see I will make, cause you know, so me call and send someone to go ask the taxi man them if not, but hear what me know. Me not just go tell the people them say Jayden. You understand? Me not just go tell the people them say Jayden. No.
Every time you go back to it, the liar tell from Friday morning, bro. it's something they no see him, he go tie out goat, and then Mr. T saying just drop him off and left him, so he might take him out and bro, the lie them must start from Friday morning, bro. You see me? The lie
no, but no. Here,
morning.
you're right. You are right. But you're right. But here what no. The lie not start tell from Friday morning. The lie start tell Friday evening for Friday morning. Get it, Jeff? Yeah, that's what I'm saying to you. They must tell a lie Friday evening, but they must start tell a lie for Friday morning. Because they couldn't tell a lie Friday morning because they never do it yet. So they couldn't tell it Friday morning. Unless that's premeditated. They want to try if it take everything outside for say nothing happened to him there so he go to school and then make it home back. They might try to take all of that out of it, but without they realize them doing it, them keep going back to Friday morning. Right.
Without them realize
so what them do now, them start tell lies. Oh, what they call this recording with their phone? They start tell lies Friday evening, but them are telling for Friday morning. Yeah. Yeah, because everything was safe up until Thursday night, Thursday night, everybody was good and everybody's story collaborated for Thursday night. But I say after what happened Friday evening, then start to lie them for Friday morning. So the lie them start at, you're right, the lie them start at Friday morning. But then tell them Friday evening, but them start tell it from Friday morning. And that's why them start knock up themselves. Because everybody never sit down on a table and plan say, alright, this is what we have to say, this is what we don't, we're not going to say.
With all these, and nobody still can push out a video. And these videos them value much money right now. The amount of money, if one somebody go up on a live with one of these videos right now, do you know how much money these videos value and people look money so much? No one have these.
What me not gonna play the whole life, but me tell you something, so me not run up, I know back a month me run.
Because you can't have nobody from the one. No. But do it in the right and proper way. When you go to me say that I don't feel it, see behind that and they love, I never that. Mash up the 30 years, well live with it. When they tell me that, no, I say, okay. I say, no problem.
I'm lying. Where you get the message from?
Yo, I want to man, yo, tell him say go and go do what you want to, because they love to talk, but they want Pam and Sue. They have your talk.
Them arguing at the same time, them kind of sitting there. I think all the cheats on the room and people just attack.
Oi, when I tell people say, oh no, ramp with that platform here, so I know, me don't get, watch out. You know advice? You know advice, right?
Yes.
Maybe I just use that, just step in the store to get them under the road. And that's why the policeman will be sergeant breaking over there. He said, I can't think till they kill him.
You hear? You hear when I say look well?
Yeah.
That's why the sergeant virgin tell me say nothing left. Police tell me say say nothing left yard. Because him gonna look suspicious. And let me ask you one question. If you don't do nothing, do you care if you want to look suspicious or not?
Nah.
Let me tell you something. What me tell you say? Me say one by one they are going to jail.
And everybody has jar from Mr. T as well, if you notice, Everybody has jar from Mr. T, So to me look like Mr. T are the culprit, the quiet culprit. Everybody has jar from them if you notice,
You see, let me tell you something. I can't show them now. Because I see me up on the phone. Let me tell you something. When I try to tell you, say, I don't want some peace. Look how God good. Watch out. Let me show you something. Say, I don't know, chatting me again. See one of them here? Look, all of them are the pan. You see them?
Mm-hmm.
Every single one of them here is the pan.
Mm-hmm.
Every single one of where you can see us are the pan.
See you put in your work, man. See you put in your work, man.
Right. So, see there? This is what I try to show you. That's the bottom of my pan.
Mm-hmm.
So, when see all the fish them fly up and go and read themselves in there. I pan that. It's a drone, the water drone underneath the water, brother. Clean like whistle. So when me I tell you say, see there, I know one footage me have and I know two. You get where I come from? Alright, see there? I pan this brother. Look, and I pan this. And no question me ask, and I pan that.
Yeah man, everything you can see.
So this is what me I tell you say. I know me just company internet consider a chat. You see how the picture we fling up with the brother the other day when the brother come yap up himself? Tell the brother is a humble, come here, me say me, but me I got tell you something, because I know nobody got a road, so what me never say. Me don't have a evidence that can put them in the sweat box. Me have evidence can show you so them a tell lie. It's two different type of evidence. So everybody can say then, if you have all of this evidence, we can send it to the police. No, and I say go. Have evidence to show say yes, them a tell lie. You know necessarily mean to say they're guilty. Tell lie don't mean say you're guilty. They can wicked and a thief and a liar. So allow me make me do my job, and that's why I'm telling you so we need the go fun way to push the thing, because nobody feel like I'm strong on us and I do not need them.
But yo, Tiger, me swear, give a week, 2 weeks, your job I go come to perfection, bro. Cause me know say all heap of people and heap police are listen to this shit, doggy. So you may be thinking I reach nowhere, but some police they are Jamaica and somebody they are Jamaica are taking information them and I take notice, bro. Cause me I tell you say what you have right now, I don't even think the police them are looking there so deep and have these things like how you have it line out. You sure you have OCD or what you call it?
Man, telling her I'm putting me back this man.
You sure you have OCD?
Oi, let me tell you something now, bro. And that's why when you say alright, you see me don't say nothing, I do nothing without a motive. I say so that's why you say me I say the man we say him see her, that man need to come forward and come show me one picture. They can show Jamaica right now one picture with the woman in the plane. And pilot said they want to come give me here. Yeah man, I born we sit there. I born out Babylon car. We charge up around here man. I born we fire. Corruption and bad. Fire
upon them.
Man. See it, yeah?
Yo, we don't believe that they fuck with, so
we
can't do it.
Raise them up. Can't do it nothing. We and God apart. We and God apart. They can't do it nothing, man. So all of the bad fat family, I pray for me. Tell them they feel them, I got jail.
Well, me not afraid of the devil, neither God, neither nobody at all. So, most less them.
So when I tell us a Speedy, but you remember the first time when I found up on the platform, you know? I must have been with us here, like, I have blazed it, you know? Hello? Hey!
That's poison?
Hey! No, it's not poison.
You're mute now. And that's why you see, I one platform I come, and even sometimes I compare platform and it start turning this religious thing and the whole of vision them and praying and getting a spirit. Me can't take them things there, so when you don't see me and when them things are going on, I'm a cut rasta. Me's a realist.
Alright. Yeah, I'm tell you the honest truth, Speedy. I have patience there, but sometimes I get really frustrated as well. But here why me like the controversy of the life, right? A person who says something, you know, and even though you hear me not question it, you will go back and go search out, guys. You always say something, you know, that makes sense to me, you know.
Yes.
And me not gonna question. And then I say, Speedy, where you think see that? It's just alright, cool. So I go back to the source and I say, yo, you must hear this today. What do you think about this? You think you can't find anything to match up this for me? So yes, alright.
I remember the pastor man, you know. Even though we're going at these things, because people believe whether these things work or not, no, there's people that believe in them and doing these things for real, you know. Because remember about the pastor man and Mobie, you know, so the real thing in that do, you know. Remember that.
Kevin Smith, his name was?
Yes. So we can't always just lamb price like that sometime because we have to remember Kevin. you know.
Tell anybody if you go
we don't
Google
believe
America.
this.
Tell them if you go Google America. One man they do it in America, we take some people in America and go power next to Salon go live.
Yes.
And hold it for them. Like one big cult business going down there. And you can't tell the people them down there say him and not Jesus.
Alright.
So that is the reason why I try to clear up myself to see.
Alright, because T, it's where you understand.
I said this is speedy.
Yeah. T, enough of these people them are yard now, hungry for money we are do this fraudness and then believe in this thing with it. Enough of them sing about it, you know, bro.
Ring.
But
man talk about them have 3 Indian in their ring and all of them shit.
They
Me now walk
sing
up and
about
down
them
with
thing,
my
bro.
finger. You pay me if you walk up and lift you up, sir. You pay me if you lift you up and walk with them in my ring. Me now lift up no boy and carry no boy and girl in my ring my finger. You know if you can't treat up here that heavy, I treat you man, me don't want you in my finger. One boy business. But what I am saying, Speedy, is this, right?
Yeah.
And yes, I am gullible to certain things and I'm also ignorant to certain things. However, I will not run it down and tell us certain things about it. I will not run it down, Speedy, but when I said to you, me don't believe, say, a liver transplant, me don't believe an organ transplant, me don't believe a dopey story in this one.
Not in this case, sir. Yeah, yeah.
Not in this one. You see, if they, alright, first and foremost, you know, they say they may come to me